Hey there. Have you ever taken the time to Google your name to see what comes up? I'm Christine Marino. I'm the Director of Marketing for Canada's largest HR firm. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build your personal brand for a better career. You may think that branding is just for businesses, but you're wrong. You have unique skills and experiences that make you who you are. This is your biggest asset. How you communicate your unique value to the world, well, that's your personal brand. In order to create a strong personal brand and increase your perceived value, you have to think like a marketer. Here are 5 tips on how to get it right. Tip number 1, position your personal brand. With your unique skills and experiences, you need to establish an image that offers a distinctive value to potential employers. Identify the most desired skills and qualities for your choice of career and incorporate those into your personal brand positioning. If you're in project management, focus on qualities like attention to detail, productivity, and team management. If you're a salesperson, establish your personal brand around resiliency, competitiveness, and your networking abilities. Tip number 2, create a killer bio that summarizes your personal brand value. To communicate your value to potential employers and recruiters, you need to have a strong bio that's centered around 3 key elements. Authenticity, so you're not just repeating what your competitors have to offer. Simplicity, so your value gets understood clearly. And consistency, so you maintain credibility. Tip number 3, recreate your LinkedIn and social profiles based on your positioning. After you've completed the first 2 tips, it's time to recreate your digital image on your LinkedIn and social profiles. Choose the right headshot, update your old boring bio with the new one, and remove any past posts that would contradict your personal branding. Tip number 4, implement social media best practices. Use these 3 social media best practices to get the highest visibility to your digital profiles. Share valuable content consistently. This could be tips, ideas, or links to use for articles and blogs. And tag other people and brands. And finally, utilize hashtags. The more eyes on your digital profile, the stronger your personal brand becomes. Finally, tip number 5, promote your personal brand offline. A flawless digital presence still would be incomplete without offline efforts. To reinforce your personal brand offline, attend industry events, take part in community work, and have business cards printed and readily available. Today we covered 5 tips on creating your personal brand. Don't forget to check out Adecco's blog for more useful tips to better your career. Thank you, stay safe, and remember, we're here to help.